for some time. Is it still recording? You know what you could do? You could have a little cartoon going, and then it's just like a little duck, and he's like, and he's like, how do you doing that?
Adios.